Hey guys, this is Maria from shoutout.com, and in this video I'll show you how to create shoutouts on Instagram stories. An Instagram shoutout feature is when one user promotes another user on their Instagram stories. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use it. Go to Instagram Home tab. After that, swipe right or click on the Your Story icon in the top left corner of your screen. Once the camera window opens, press on the Create Mode icon on the left. Go right until you find Shoutouts option. Tap the dice icon at the top of your screen in order to see what templates Instagram provides you with. Select the one you want to use. Also keep in mind that you can change the background color by clicking on the circle at the bottom right corner. After that, type in the person's username to whom you want to shout out to. Now you can insert stickers, emojis, GIFs to your story, draw or write something if you want. Once your story post is ready, click on the Send To button and add it into your story. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to create shoutouts on Instagram stories. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at shoutout.com.